Hey, welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. The folks over at Longer sent me their Ray 5 Mini a little while ago, and I have not had a chance to open it up, take a good look at it, do a review on it. I'm sure it's a Longer product, so it's going to be well done, but I need to get it done for them. So, despite the heat here in Chicago, I'm going to do it today. So let's open this thing up. Let's see, got our manual, of course. Take our first piece of foam out. Power cord, safety glasses, necessary tools. There's a laser module. And then here is the frame assembly. You don't have to assemble anything to it. The only thing you really have to do is put the laser module on it, plug it in. So this just slides down on it. And there should be a couple of screws in one of these packages. Right there they are. There's our cable. There's our brush to help keep everything clean. There is our set screw. Now on the side of the laser module, there is 3 set screw holes. This set screw, as soon as I can get it out of the package, will screw into there. Then when you slide it down the tab, you tighten the set screw, and there we have it. That easy. Now we'll move a couple of things out of the way here, and we'll connect it up to LightBurn. Now this is a 5-watt laser, so it's not something that is extremely powerful like the 40 and 50 watt lasers you see everybody using. This is perfect for craft shows, things like that. Small projects you can knock out really quick. But we're going to put it to a test. We're going to do a slate coaster, and that'll probably take a few hours to do with the power we've got here, but we're going to give it a shot. So we plug it in, get our garbage out of the way. Get that out of the way. And this is a USB-C connector. So we've got our USB cord. We'll plug it in to our laptop, into our laser, power the laser on, and we get everything started here. We'll open up LightBurn and we'll configure it for LightBurn, or LightBurn for it. Okay, we've got everything plugged in, connected up. So we've got LightBurn opened up. We're going to go to Devices. We're going to go to Import. And I downloaded a file from the website, Ray 5 Mini LB Dev. And that will help us put the Ray 5 Mini in the system. Okay, so we're going to find Ray 5 Mini in the system, and there we go. Now we're set. Now we can come up. We can move the laser head. Let's home it. It's nice and quiet. So let's make us a 4-inch rectangle. and center it. And let's frame that. Okay, so it frames, it's nice and quiet. So let's do one other thing here real quick. What I have found that works really well for me, I take masking tape, put a couple of layers of masking tape down. Doesn't have to be good tape. This is cheap tape. Doesn't have to be perfect for what we're going to do. But I lay a piece down under my laser engraver like that. And we've got to focus the laser, which is what that piece of plastic is for. What you do is you lay it down, you loosen your set screw, slide your screw all the way down, or your laser head down, tighten the set screw, pull that off from underneath it, and now our laser is positioned properly above the tape. So we're going to take that and we're going to run it. So let's home it one more time. We're going to run that. Helps to plug the laser module in, people. There we go. Let's run that again. Now what it's doing is it's actually putting a small outline in that tape. So now I know exactly where to set my coaster. Put my coaster in there. Then we re-aim the laser for the coaster. Okay, now we're going to re-home again. And then we're going to import where's my coasters at? We are, oh, don't remember where I put the files. Give me a second. Coasters. There we go. We're going to burn that into the coaster. Let's see here. We want this is blue. Okay, so now what I've done, I've got my outline set as black, and I've got my image I'm going to burn is blue. So now I could turn off the outline because I know where everything's at. That's already done. And let's take this up to about 70% power, 2200. You click OK. Let's see what we're going to get when we burn it. That should be exactly what we get. Let's give it a shot. We'll see how well this works. Okay, so we've got it done. About 38 minutes in total. You see what it looks like. Turned out very, very well. We're going to do a complete set of them. But if you do a lot of craft shows, you like being able to just create things on a whim, longer Ray 5 Mini, 5 watt. It's pretty cool stuff. You can make a bunch of these in an evening, take them to craft shows. If somebody wants something custom, you could set it up right there, work with them, show them how it's going to look. Get yourself one. Link will be below in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll do everything I can to help you out. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe.